Welcome to our channel. Today I would like to show you how to clean the microphone on a Samsung Galaxy A56 phone. For this we need isopropyl alcohol, a clean cloth, and a brush with flexible bristles. The bristles should be soft or medium hard. You can buy such kits on Allegro or Amazon in a little box, and if you don't have one, you can try using a regular toothbrush. Just make sure the bristles are soft or medium hard, otherwise you will scratch your phone. Once you have everything prepared, the phone must be turned off. We never clean a phone while it's turned on. We spray the toothbrush thoroughly with alcohol so that it's wet. We take the phone in our hand. The microphone hole is here by the SIM card, and the other hole is a vent, so that if water were to get into this hole, there would be access so that a vacuum doesn't form. This is the second hole as well, so it's best to clean both holes with a steady motion. We perform 10 to 15 strokes in one direction, then exactly the same in the other direction. Then towards the screen, and the same towards the back cover. If the microphone is very dirty, repeat this process 2 or 3 times in each direction so that it is perfectly cleaned. Then we do the same with the second hole. The main microphone is definitely located right here, but it is also a very good idea to clean the second one just as well. This is because it is equally necessary for effective noise cancellation, which is vital for simply reducing ambient background sound. So for the best audio performance, it is really good practice to take a moment to clean that small hole as well. Because if water gets in, and the phone is waterproof, we might not be heard, but because the second hole will be clean, the water will simply escape through the other side. We then move to the other side of the phone, and here, just like before, we have this hole by the camera. This is the microphone, and the other one is also for ventilation, and we do exactly the same thing here, meaning 5 to 10 movements in one direction on both holes. Then in the other direction, the same 5 to 10 movements. Then towards the screen, and towards the flap, the same thing. As I said, if the holes are very dirty, repeat this process 2 or 3 times in each direction, just to clean them thoroughly. Then we set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes so that the isopropyl alcohol evaporates, and after that time, we can turn the phone on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, likes, subscriptions, and see you in my next video.